Hey, Mark Wade here with Virtual Summit Software. I wanted to give a quick demonstration on how you can set up or how you can forward a web domain to your essentially to your landing page of your virtual summit. So if you're using the virtual summit, and I'll explain that a little bit more. So if you're using the virtual summit software, we have the landing page builder already built out into that way you don't have to pay anybody to build out a website for you, a landing page, which if you're doing it on your own in WordPress, could take weeks, hundreds of hours, if not thousands of dollars. So we have that all done for you right here with the landing page builder. Now, what I wanted to show you is how you can set it up. If we look at, for example, what a typical landing page is going to look like with the Virtual Summit software, we're going to have this kind of long domain here because this is set up. It's on the Virtual Summit. It's essentially through the Virtual Summit software, the application that your summit's going to be running through. That's how the software works. Now, a lot of times people don't want to display a big long link like this. So I'm going to show you how you can take care of that. If you're not very tech savvy or you don't care, then you really don't need to worry about it. But essentially, here with the landing page builder, we make it so simple to have that landing page automatically done and auto-populated. We have 3 beautiful themes all there for you to choose from. It's as simple as just writing the title and descriptions you want. You're able to click and turn things visible or invisible based on whether you want showing or not showing. For example, if you're still recruiting speakers, maybe you don't want to have the speakers showing on your landing page yet, so you can keep that hidden until you have enough speakers or whatnot. So where this longer domain comes from right here is when we go back here into the Summit Essentials, Summit Info. Right here, you're going to pick your subdomain. So obviously, if your domain's still available, you can put it here. You type it out, for example, virtual-neurology-summit or whatever you want it to be. It could be virtual-book-summit. So whatever you want that to be. And that's going to be what shows up right here. Now, in order to make a pretty domain, essentially, there's a couple options. One, if you can get any of the software like Pretty Links or something like that, which will take a longer domain, or Bitly, for example, which takes a longer domain and condenses it into a nice, short, prettier domain, and it just forwards it here. Now, if you own your own domain, like for example, Virtual Neurology Summit, if you own that domain, you can forward that so that you can use this you can use this domain and just have it forward to the landing page. So just to show you, I've already set that up on mine with Virtual Neurology Summit. I can show you here, so that when I type in Virtual Neurology Summit, what's going to happen because of what I set up with the actual domain I own, it's going to forward it forward to the landing page. And again, the landing page, this is all done for you with the landing page builder as far as the speakers. We have the presentations listed out here and then where they can register. So find your domain. I'm going to go with, since I've already set up Virtual Neurology Summit, let's go with Virtual Neuro Summit. And that's going to open up. I'm on GoDaddy, so whatever you're using to kind of host your domains, you're going to go there. And what you're going to look for is you're going to manage your DNS. So we're looking to forward this, okay? So on mine, it's right here. I go to forwarding domain. So essentially, you want to forward that domain you own. So for me, right here, we're going to do virtualneurosummit.com. I want to forward that to my landing page right here. So I'm going to take this link, which is the landing page for my virtual summit, and I am going to insert it right here. And you can even preview it just to make sure, and then I can see that it pops it up right there. I'm going to have it permanent forward only, and then I'm going to save it. And so we can see there it went. It went ahead and forwarded. So that is set up. You can then test it. So we can go virtualneurosummit.com, which was the new one I just put in. Oops, I must have misspelled that. Let me go right here and just grab it. Virtual neuro. Oh, actually, that's right. So it can take up to, sometimes it can take 30 minutes to an hour for this to actually process, depending on, how fast your host is. Let's see if it's going now. Yeah, so this could take up to, a couple of hours to actually kick into effect. But just like I demonstrated here with virtualneurologysummit.com, which is the same thing, and it just forwards right over. So that's how, if for whatever reason you don't want in your advertisements maybe, or for example in my emails that I send out, I just do virtualneurologysummit.com for this and have it forward over. So if you're fine with that, you don't have anything to worry about, but I just wanted to show you how you could set up a domain that you've purchased so that it forwards over to your landing page in the Virtual Summit software. So that's just a quick example of that. Again, if you have any questions with this or anything, just reach out and let us know. We're happy to answer any of those questions and give any demonstrations as needed. Thanks. Have a great day.